What's up, YouTube? You can't believe we just made a Play-Doh motorcycle.
Play-Doh.
Took hard work.
Hard
It's Play-Doh. We made it out of a lot of stuff. This is the seat. These are those things you see, the mirrors or something. This is where you drive. This are both the tires, and that's blah, 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 blah. I don't care. This guy, stupid guy, made it. It was him. It was this guy, not those cars or any balls. Yeah. Bye. Shiny me good. Yeah. Dab.